Hey, what is up, guys? This is the FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money by reselling items on eBay. Okay, so I'm talking about brand new items, not buying used items and stuff that you just have lying in the house, or going to thrift shops, not anything like that, but getting free, or really cheap new items and then reselling it. Okay, so this method actually works. This is on my eBay account. I have $209 or in the past 60 days that I've sold, right? I have 23 active, 12 sold. This is I've kind of been lazy where I only have 23 up. Before I had a lot more, but yeah, and depending on, it's just all depend on how serious you are and how much you want to make. You'll make that much, but it's not that hard to do. It's really simple. You can see I have 23 active items, right? They're just like small stuff, wristbands, arm sleeves, backup camera, a mic, and stuff like that. iPhone covers and screen replacement, stuff like that. Really simple things, nothing too like expensive or nothing too fancy and stuff like that. So it's really easy to do. You can make great money whether you're in high school, college, or even have a job. It'll add a couple $100 maybe, to the end of every week. You could quite possibly, if you're really that serious. Okay, so now I'm just going to give you a list of where to get the free items from. The first one is Elite Deal Club. Elite Deal Club is basically a site where you can sign up for, and then it's completely free, right? You can sign up for it, and then every day at 10 a.m., 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. I believe Eastern time, they have new deals. Okay, so when you see those new deals, you would have to go there and then select it, buy it really cheap. They have like, sometimes they even have like 90% off, 99% off. Like here, they don't really have anything for free. I believe maybe once in a blue moon they have it for free, but they'll have stuff for like couple cents that you can go and resell for like like dollars, like I don't know, like $20 or something. So that's a good margin. Okay, so that's one site. The next site is Jump Send. So this site, you can see, has stuff over here. You want to get things that will actually sell, right? So you would want to get try sorting it by price, low to high, if you want to start off with like low money. You can see over here 7 cents, 10 cents, 19 cents. And the thing is, people will buy it on Amazon. It's kind of like on eBay, it's kind of like even though they're not really much to you, but someone out there in the world is looking for cufflinks, right, for pretty cheap. So you got this for 7 cents. And let's see. Okay, the site is acting up, but okay, let's look at this one. Okay, 7 cents. Original price is $7, right? So you can see over here, you got it for 7 cents. You can probably sell it for like $7 also, right? Maybe even make it a little cheaper, $6. And then another tip is you would always want to include shipping in it. So basically you pay for the shipping. Okay, so because that's one marketing strategy that has been proven to work. If you put it for like $4 and then put $2 shipping, they are less likely to buy it than if you put it for $7 and free shipping. Okay, so that's just a trick that you guys should keep in mind. Okay, so yeah, you can get stuff like that, make a couple dollars on each one. Once in a while, you'll get really good items where, you can actually make a lot of money on it, like $10, $20 on it, right? So yeah, you want to keep that in mind. So like, look, this over here is 26 cents. This one, you can sell for 26. Retail price on Amazon is $26. So that's a pretty huge jump. Okay, so yeah, so you want to find items for similar to that. Okay. So this is on JumpSend. The thing about JumpSend is you have to request it. So when you click it, you have to do request item, and then you have to wait for the approval. Okay. So that's the next site. All right, the next one is Snack Shout. Snack Shout is pretty good also. You can see over here the coupon 60% off. I already have it sorted by price lowest, right? But you obviously want to do, try to find deals that are good. So biggest percentage savings. So these two are sponsored, so those don't count. So you can see these wedding rings, $5, 90% off, right? These Bluetooth headphones, $18, $17, 87% off. So the thing is that's for me, that's kind of too much, right? I wouldn't necessarily pay that much for these headphones because they're not. I don't think they're any brand, right? So it's just all dependent upon you, what you like to buy and sell. Do you personally think someone will buy this? Right. If not, then don't go for it. Don't risk it. Other than that, just you could buy it. Like this vacuum cleaner, smart vacuum cleaner, $27. This one is probably a pretty good deal because this does seem like something someone will buy. Right. So let's view it on Amazon just to show you an example. So here you can see on Amazon it's $180. Okay. And you are getting for only $27. So you have to sign in, obviously, and then they give you the coupon. Okay, so that's really good. Okay, and so the next site is Vipon. Vipon's pretty good also. I really like this site. The site looks like there's a lot more going on it, right? They do have a lot more deals in my opinion, right? And just the deals themselves, I think they are better products. So let me just show you what they are. So they have a wide variety of products. So you can obviously categorize it what type you want, right? And another thing is you want things that are not perishable. So if they have food or anything, candy or stuff, I suggest you not get those. You want to get stick with electronics or stuff that will last in your storage for a while. So let's say if someone's not buying it, you don't want to have to throw it out after a couple weeks. Okay, so that's also, and I guess another thing to keep in mind I just seen based because of this is you don't want to get things that are too big because that could really hurt you while shipping because this is $80 and a regular price is $160. So let's say you want to sell it for $140, right? You probably could sell it but you have to keep in consideration how much the shipping would cost. So I mean, since this is a high selling item, you probably will make money on it. But there's other items which are I guess cheaper, but they are just as big and they are heavy. Okay, so the last thing you want to do is actually lose money while selling it because of shipping, right? So that's just something you want to keep into consideration. All right, the next site is Loutoot. So Loutoot is basically another good site. They do have things that are more on the expensive side. So if you are looking to spend less, I wouldn't think this is the site for you guys. But they do have some nice stuff here and there. I don't personally use this site anymore. I did in the past, but yeah, it's all right. All right, next one is giveaway service. Giveaway service is more of you have to apply for it and then they give you the item. But here it's slightly different where that you have to you have to have some kind of social media for you to review on, not only Amazon, right? So when you apply, let me apply here. So this one requires a blog, which I don't have a blog set up to my account. So yeah, that's not gonna, it really depends on the specific item, what they're looking for, what kind of reviews they're looking for. So yeah, so that, and then this one you can ignore, I guess. And then we have this one, Dollar Review Club. This one I think is really good because the thing is they always have stuff for $1, right? Which I think it's, probably really good than the other ones. They specifically list out stuff for $1. Right, and then they also have other stuff that are more than $1, but they still have savings on it. But yeah, so this is basically the whole tutorial, right? It's really simple, but you do want to keep in mind that get things that are in your opinion going to sell. Okay, so over here I have stuff that have been here but haven't been really sold. Right, I got it for pennies or something. I don't even remember how much I got them for, right? And they haven't sold yet. They've been here for a couple weeks, but that's not really an issue for me, right? I mean, the thing is, it really depends on you personally. I mean, I know they will sell eventually, especially the books are just separate because those are, I guess, my personal books that I'm selling. But the other items that that are there. I mean, I've had stuff that were there for like weeks before they sold. Okay, so you got to keep that into consideration. Just keep them up. Someone will eventually buy, and it's for free. It's free listing it, right? They only charge you after you sell it. Another thing is, obviously you're selling it on eBay. You can also sell it on other sites like Amazon. You can sell it on. You can also sell it on local sites like Craigslist or anything similar to that. Just it depends on how much work you want to put into it. You'll get that much reward, right? I've kind of been slacking. I haven't put anything up lately, so it's only 23, and the last 60 days only $200. But so the thing is, it doesn't really take that much time anyways to list it and to find deals. Half of the deals you probably get, some things you'll actually like and want to keep, so that's really good too. Another thing is, if you guys want to learn how to become a professional reviewer and get free stuff, right? Not even professional review. You just want to learn how to get free stuff from Amazon. Watch my other video. I'll leave it in the description below. All right. So so that is basically it. Very minimal amount of work. Just searching for deals, buying it, listing it, and then it's just leave it up to itself, and then it'll automatically be sold, right? So that's basically it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I would love to get back to you guys with answers. If you like the video, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.